Okay, guys, we're at New Smyrna Beach.
Except for I won't be at that kind of event. Oh, man. Wow.
Rocket just
Oh,
launched
second stage.
Cape
Second
Canaveral.
stage just went off.
We're at New Smyrna Beach, and
They ran through their first stage, and then they got bright again. Now there's 2 trails.
Look at that. Look at that. They're launching a rocket from Cape Canaveral. It looks like a shooting star. Just like that orange moon, I think we're the only one to see this. Wonder where they're headed. Okay, I just, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh, hurry up. Oh, you're gonna miss it.
That was it. Bye.